Mega easy English culture. Proverbs. Mega easy English culture. Proverbs. Proverbs about birds. Proverb 1. Proverb 1. Birds of a feather flock together.
Meaning?
This proverb is said about people who have similar characters or interests, especially ones of which you disapprove, and who often spend time with each other.
Translation?
Qui se ressemble s'assemble. Qui se ressemble s'assemble.
Proverb 2. Proverb 2. The early bird catches the worm, but it is the early worm that gets caught.
Catch me if you can.
Meaning?
If you say that the early bird catches the worm, you mean that the person who arrives first in a place is most likely to get what they want. During the sales, the shops open at 7 a.m., and the early bird catches the worm.
Translation?
L'avenir appartient à ceux qui se lèvent tôt.
Proverb 3. Proverb 3. Don't count your chicken before they are hatched.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Meaning?
You should not make plans that depend on something good happening before it has actually happened.
Translation?
Il ne faut jamais mettre la charrue avant les bœufs.
Proverb 4. Proverb 4. A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush.
Meaning?
This proverb is said when you recognize that you should not risk losing something you already have by trying to get something you think might be better.
Translation?
Un tien vaut mieux que deux, tu l'auras.
Proverb 5. Proverb 5. Rise with the lark and go to bed early.
Meaning?
This proverb means that you get out of bed very early in the morning and that you go to bed very early in the evening.
Translation?
Se lever avec les poules et se coucher tôt.
Proverbs about birds. Mega easy English culture. Proverbs.